it was important that I kept pushing myself to try different foods. So for a period, quite a period, I used mushy foods, liquid foods. I'd lost my sense of taste during this time when I went without a sense of taste for 18 months, and food had become a real chore for me, which was unfortunate because I really enjoyed my food. I loved cooking myself, and my wife loved my cooking as well. So it was important for her and I that I returned to cooking as quickly as I could. So I then had the challenge of looking for different ideas on what I could cook that I could manage to swallow. And mince and tatties quickly becomes very boring. So I then sought a number of alternatives and do a great deal of research on the internet to try and find foods that I could swallow, but at the same time were nutritious, were giving me the calories I looked for, and weren't the same old thing over and over again. Variety is obviously important to maintain your interest. Mealtimes become a chore when really they shouldn't be. And it is important that I kept trying to eat more and more solid food so that I could not only get the calories I needed, but also continue to exercise my throat muscles so that I could recover and return to normal as quickly as I possibly could.